The first word in our series is analyze, यानी विश्लेषण करना. इसका meaning है to examine in detail to identify key elements. An example is, scientists analyze data to draw conclusions. The next word is assess, यानी आंकलन करना. This means to evaluate or estimate the nature, ability, or quality of something. An example is, teachers assess students' performance regularly. Now we have assume, यानी मान लेना. इसका मतलब है to suppose something without proof. For example, I assume he will arrive on time. Next up is calculate, यानी गणना करना. This means to determine something mathematically. An example is, engineers calculate the force needed to lift a structure. The fifth word is clarify, यानी स्पष्ट करना. This means to make something clear or easier to understand. For example, please clarify your instructions before we begin.
Now we have compare, यानी तुलना करना. This means to examine similarities and differences. An example is, the study compares two teaching methods. Next is conclude, यानी निष्कर्ष निकलना. इसका मतलब है to reach a decision or opinion after consideration. For example, the report concludes that pollution is rising. The next word is construct, यानी निर्माण करना. This means to build or form by putting parts together. An example is, workers construct new bridges every year. Moving on to contrast, यानी विपरीत तुलना करना. This means to highlight differences between things. For example, the documentary contrasts urban and rural lifestyles. Next up is critique, यानी आलोचना करना. This means to evaluate or analyze critically. An example is, the professor asked us to critique the article.
The next word is define, यानी परिभाषित करना. This means to state or explain the meaning of something. For example, please define the term photosynthesis. Now we have demonstrate, यानी प्रदर्शन करना. This means to clearly show the existence or truth of something. An example is, the teacher demonstrated the experiment step by step. Next is describe, यानी वर्णन करना. This means to give an account of in words. For example, he described the scenery in vivid detail. Our next word is determine, यानी निर्धारित करना. This means to establish or decide firmly. An example is, we need to determine the best solution for the issue. The next word is develop, यानी विकास करना. This means to grow or cause to grow and become more advanced. For example, the company developed a new software application.
Now we have discussed, यानी चर्चा करना. This means to talk about a topic in detail. An example is, we discussed the effects of climate change. The next word is distinguish, यानी पहचान करना. This means to recognize or point out the difference. For example, it's hard to distinguish twins apart. Moving on to emphasize, यानी जोर देना. This means to give special importance to something. For example, he emphasized the need for punctuality. Next is establish, यानी स्थापित करना. This means to set up on a firm or permanent basis. An example is, the school was established in 1950. Our next word is evaluate, यानी मूल्यांकन करना. This means to judge or determine the significance of something. For example, the scientist evaluated the experiment's results.
The next word is examine, यानी जांच करना. This means to inspect closely and carefully. An example is, doctors examine patients before prescribing medicine. Now we have explained, यानी समझाना. This means to make something clear by describing it in detail. For example, he explained the math problem thoroughly. Next is explore, यानी अन्वेषण करना. This means to travel in or through to discover something new. An example is, the researcher explored the effects of stress. The next word is formulate, यानी निर्माण करना. This means to create or devise methodically. For example, he formulated a new theory in physics. Moving on to identify, यानी पहचान करना. This means to recognize and name someone or something. An example is, can you identify the author of this quote?
Next is illustrate, यानी उदाहरण देना. This means to explain or make something clear using examples. For example, he illustrated his point with a story. The next word is interpret, यानी व्याख्या करना. This means to explain the meaning of something. For example, the guide interpreted the ancient symbols. Now we have justify, यानी सिफारिश करना. This means to show or prove something to be right. For example, she justified her decision with strong evidence. Next is summarize, यानी सार देना. This means to give a brief statement of key points. For example, he summarized the article in a few sentences. Finally, we have support, यानी सहायता करना. This means to provide evidence or assistance to confirm something. For example, studies support the claim that exercise boosts mood.
That's all for today's TOEFL talk. Keep practicing these verbs and their meanings, and you'll be well prepared to tackle the TOEFL exam. See you next time.